What's up, Deal Extremers? This is DealExtremeStuff. Today we're going to be reviewing the very popular Jet 1300C butane lighter. So it's called, let's get started with the why it's called the Jet 1300C. It's because that's the temperature in Celsius it burns in. It'll probably honestly burn a little bit less than advertised, but it'll still get the job done. It's awesome because look at this huge tank it comes with. So that's a lot of butane you can put in there. So this baby burns for hours constantly. So it's convenient to have because you don't have to keep refilling it. Now, how the lighter actually came, it was just like this, and it came with this little stand here. And the purpose of the stand is to kind of like that, put that on there, and it'll stand by itself, hands-free, and it'll enable hands-free work, and you do that by, firstly, this is how you turn it on. So it's on right there. Let me show you a little bit closer. It's nice length. It's a good looking fire, it's completely blue. So that's how the trigger works here. There's also a lock on the trigger for safety here. You just turn it and you can't push it. Turn it around and then it's back on business. Alright, also for hands-free work, what you do is you can turn it on. There's a little switch right here. You just flick and then let go and it's on by itself. And it'll just kind of stay like that, and you can burn whatever you'd like or do whatever you want to do with that. Alright, so just a little test here I'll show you here. Here's just a regular US quarter right here. Not really sure what kind of metal it is, but it doesn't really matter. Clip this on here and we'll melt this bead. Now I'm going to stop melting as soon as I see a little bit of distortion in how the quarter starts to look, because it's just a waste of time. But yeah, you can use this for many different things. Works as a nice cigar pipe, but I don't know why you'd want to carry this thing around for a cigar. It's awesome. It has great safety features, and for under $3 with free shipping from Deal Extreme, it's a steal. This thing lasts forever too. It's amazing. And we're starting to get a little bit of warp here. And melting off layers here. Pretty neat. Alright, well, I don't want to stand here and wait for this thing to melt, but I promise you it can be done. I did it when I first got this thing, but that's pretty soft right there. Yeah, so let me put this quarter away really quick. And alright, so there it is. This Jet 1300C butane lighter. The link to buy this will be on the descriptions below, and yeah, check it out. Subscribe, rate, comment. I'll keep you guys updated with more videos. Peace out.